Easy now, watch the rotation.
Set it down right on the marks for the FlixBus line.
Here are the panoramic windscreens. Manifest confirms 40 units.
Looks good. We'll start unloading Bay 3 immediately.
The secret to the windshield's strength lies in this cross-section. The PVB interlayer.
The arrival of the drivetrain is a critical step in the next-gen process. We use specialized transport to ensure secure delivery.
Mechanical precision guides the brilliant arc. This is the next generation process, transforming raw steel into the FlixBus chassis.
Here we see the completed FlixBus chassis from the jig.
The transformation begins as the raw steel chassis enters the pre-treatment tunnel, preparing the surface for the next generation process.
The next-gen purification process begins, separating the specialized cleaning agent from the heavy hydrocarbon contamination.
Bring it up another 5 centimeters, slowly. Watch the coupling.
5 centimeters, steady as she goes.
Lower it slowly, we are almost aligned. Watch the clearance on the left side. Okay, bring it down another 2 centimeters.
A little to the left.
Okay, easy now. Clear on the coupling.
Mounts are aligned, set it down.
Lower slowly, watch the alignment pins.
Got it. Torquing now, the integration is complete.
Ensure the coolant line clears the harness by at least 10 millimeters.
Got it. Securing the clamp now.
Welcome to the next-gen assembly line, where precision robotics meets sustainable transport.
The aluminum extrusion profiles are cut with absolute precision, meeting the exact millimeter tolerances required for the FlixBus body frame. Combining traditional fasteners with modern structural adhesive creates a bond of unparalleled strength.
Weighing significantly less than its steel counterpart, this aluminum FlixBus frame represents a leap forward in sustainable engineering.
The aluminum and steel framework is now integrated. With the skeletal structure ready, the body panels are applied in this next-gen process.
A precise application of the structural adhesive creates a permanent bond. This white and gray epoxy
This distinctive nose shape is the aesthetic identity of the new fleet, positioned here with millimeter precision.
Steady now, keep the bead uniform. Looks good. We're almost at the center point.
Lowering now. Watch the clearance on the lower left side. Steady, steady. And set.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the left side. Looks good here. Almost seated.
The systematic installation of the side panels marks the completion of the glazing process, transforming the vehicle.
All right, keep the pressure steady on the green section.
Copy that. Making sure all the contamination is gone.
This next-generation process utilizes high-pressure compressed air to ensure perfect paint adhesion on the composite surface.
Make sure the vinyl is completely flush with the frame.
Yeah, we need that tight seal for the sound dampening.
The multi-layer sandwich begins with a plywood substrate, followed by the sound dampening mat, and finally the durable vinyl wear surface.
Watch the clearance here.
Yeah, I see it. Just a little higher on your side.
Utilizing a lightweight composite, the new FlixBus racks offer superior strength while reducing overall vehicle weight.
The green cable goes into the auxiliary port here. Okay, I am crimping the connector now.
These dual USB ports offer fast charging, as modern passengers expect this level of connectivity.
Lower it slowly, just a few more centimeters.
Alignment is good. Clear for final positioning.
It's seated. Secure the unit.
The FlixBus enters the slalom, showcasing remarkable agility for its size.
We use only streak-free professional cleaner and fresh microfiber cloths to ensure this level of crystal clear.
Doors secure, emergency release functional, headlights aligned, fluid levels nominal, final verification complete.
Thank you. The coach looks absolutely superb. We're very happy with the delivery.
We appreciate your continued trust. Safe journeys.